Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS news for Monday, August 13. Jamaica is to benefit from increased technical support in the utilization of nuclear technology for development purposes. This is being facilitated under a new 5-year country program framework signed with the International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA.
The new country program, which is applicable for the period 2018 to 2023, will focus on water and environment management, health and nutrition, food and agriculture, nuclear and radiation safety and security, and energy and industry.
This is the second cooperation program in Jamaica, with the first covering the period 2010 to 2015. The International Atomic Energy Agency has provided nearly €3 million in funding support for projects that have either been completed or are currently underway. The PIOJ serves as the national liaison office for the program. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is reviewing the policy governing the use of the Black River for safari tours. The review is to determine whether the current moratorium allows for optimum carrying capacity in operations. Minister Bartlett says based on consultation with stakeholders, the goal is to create an arrangement that will foster orderly conduct among all tour operators and ensure full compliance with licensing regulations. The popular Black River safari tours have been in operation for close to 30 years and attract many tourists annually. It is a guided motor launch tour lasting approximately 1.5 hours, starting from the town of Black River and going up into the Black River Lower Morass, Jamaica's largest wetland area. Minister Bartlett was speaking during a recent site visit at one of the safari tours in the parish. More than 3,500 young people across the island are getting training and employment opportunities through the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development. They are the second batch to benefit from the ministry's Youth Summer Employment Program, which started last year and benefited approximately 2,000 participants. This year, the program is increasing the number of beneficiaries and adding a 2-week extension, so the youth will be employed for 6 weeks starting today.
Not only have we increased the numbers, but this year, we will have some unique features to the program. This here we have included disaster risk management as a core function of the Youth Summer Employment Program.
The best 150 young persons from the Disaster Response Corps will be retained until the end of the calendar year to collect data on disaster risks across the country.
To input the data that will be collected, we're going to be identifying another 50 of you who are computer savvy. You will be retained within the municipal corporations to help to input the data that will be collected based on the survey.
Among other things, the young people will also assist in property tax and trade license management. Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck says construction work on the Court of Appeal building in downtown Kingston is well within the $845 million budget and is on track for completion before the start of the new court term in September. The expansion is part of the ministry's commitment to improve the built environment for the justice sector.
I think we're still on target. What you see is some significant work that has taken place since April the 15th. The major deliverables to come will be the elevators, and I understand the 2 elevators are on their way. They should be delivered on August the 25th. It will take less than a week to install them because all the preliminary work is being done.
The minister was speaking following a tour of the building last week Thursday. In April, he signed a contract to undertake the project, which will see the addition of 3 new courtrooms, 14 judges' chambers, and 2 lounges. The project is set to pave the way for the expansion of the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has suspended the policy that prohibits women wearing sleeveless attire from entering government buildings. The Prime Minister has also given instructions for a full review of government dress code practices. It is in keeping with a commitment previously given by the Prime Minister to review the long-standing practice. A statement from the Office of the Prime Minister says that review found that there is no law or official government policy on which this no sleeveless dress code restriction is based. It further adds that Cabinet has taken note of the concerns expressed by members of the public and empathizes with the unfortunate experiences shared primarily by women in both extreme and everyday circumstances. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport has been mandated to formulate a government dress code policy that is aligned with modern considerations as well as the climatic realities of Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.